inmate comes in or a person who's under arrest, this is the first thing they see, and they're brought to the counter. They're usually in cuffs. They're patted down. Their property's removed. That means belts, shoes, anything they have in their pockets. Anything that we may be concerned about is held in property, and they're allowed basically to have what's on their back, their shirt, their pants, and any undergarments that don't have anything dangerous in them. There's a medical screen that does kind of a real basic evaluation of that individual for risk factors, medical. They're photographed, they're fingerprinted. Anyway, cameras have 24-hour monitoring. It's all recorded, so every cell has a camera in it. Very basic. So yeah, that's all they got. Concrete underneath of this pad, and it is the most uncomfortable commode, whatever you want to call them, toilet. This is a thing that a lot of people find very disgusting, is that you have a toilet, your sink, and your drinking fountain is right above it. So you're going to be getting a drink of water from right above your toilet. It's sad, but it's not designed for, you know, friendly use, I guess. So if it's after 5, they stay overnight, or actually I should say probably after 3, they'll stay overnight. If it's our charge, the next morning the officer will come in, he'll bring all the reports, paperwork and everything, and bring that over to the prosecutor's office. They'll review it and either accept or reject the charge, deny the charge I should say. If it's accepted, then it'll be forwarded to, the warrant will be forwarded to the courthouse. And in a later time the officer would swear to that, and then that individual would be brought before the judge sometime the next day.
The lower levels is for all court and sheriff's department staff only. No public, nobody from the public's allowed on the lower level. This is our security elevator here. Everything's card access. So we come in here with inmates, lock them in. We got a key that we will carry with us and secure them in there. And these are our holding cells. Everything's on camera, everything's recorded. And then on each side of us here, we have access into the judge's chamber, or courtrooms. The attorneys they have a phone over in the library there. They can call into here, and they can let the deputies know, I need to see inmate John Doe. They'll put John Doe into the conference room, and they'll come in from the other side.
From the holding cell to the courtroom to judges' chambers, many areas of the Holland District Courthouse are interconnected with private hallways for safety. What is something that maybe people don't realize about the court system or even the courthouse itself?
I think people would be surprised by the sheer volume of cases that come through a district court. On a day like today, a Tuesday, with our arraignments, both Judge Jonas and I probably have seen over 50 people each already this morning on different matters.
Reporting for the Holland Sentinel, this is Andrea Goodell.